Hey friends, if you encounter device cannot start error with the code 10 driver error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to check the connection. Okay, so here's what you'll have to do. Just go to fast.com and hit this one. Now this is to check the network adapter if the internet is working. Otherwise, check connections of all devices plugged into your computer. Are they fine? Like let's say that the issue comes while trying to connect a printer to your system. So check if the printer is connected well. Check the physical connection first and then restart your computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then select restart. After that, update all the drivers. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Now select advanced options, select optional updates, find any optional update here, and if you find it then check it and download and install it. And lastly, remove the peripherals. Now what do I mean by peripherals? By peripherals I mean peripherals like printers, scanners, cameras. Why? Because they push in their own drivers to the system, and when they do that it conflicts with existing drivers on the system, so remove the peripherals. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.